Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. You can also keep up on Facebook, Twitter by clicking the links in the description. The Samsung Galaxy S21 would be announced on January 14th, and now it's more or less been confirmed thanks to a Samsung store in India. The Samsung Opera House store in Bengaluru, India, has said that the Samsung Galaxy S21, Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, and Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra will all be announced on that date, then go on sale in India a week or so later. They don't state the exact on-sale date, and it might vary in other countries anyway, but it's likely in any case that you'll be able to get your hands on the phones from late January. The store also claims that the Samsung Galaxy S21 will be available in gray, pink, purple, and white colors. The Galaxy S21 Plus will land in pink, purple, silver, and black options, and the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra will come in a choice of black or silver. Those colors largely line up with what we've heard before. They've said that the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra has a 108MP 10MP cameras, one of which will allow for 10x optical zoom and laser autofocus. We've also heard these camera specs before, though a 12MP sensor is rumored to be included too. So there's nothing really new here, but coming from a Samsung store, this is very close to a confirmation. That said, it's presumably information that the store shouldn't have let slip, so we'd still take it with a tiny pinch of salt until Samsung makes a more official statement. Incidentally, those of you who live in India can already reserve one of the Galaxy S21 models at this store by paying a deposit, and even if you do that, you don't have to decide which of the three you want until they're announced. They'll apparently be powered by Samsung's Exynos 2100 processor in India, and the three models will be available in the following colors: gray, pink, purple, and white for the S21, pink, purple, silver, and black for the S21 Plus, and black and silver for the S21 Ultra. The S21 Ultra will have a 108-megapixel main sensor, alongside two additional 10-megapixel sensors, one of which will have a 10x optical zoom. The latest report adds to a host of leaked details about the new handsets. Earlier this week we got an early look at the phones through a series of leaked teaser trailers, which show off their redesigned camera bumps. The trailers appear to confirm that the S21 Ultra will have a total of 5 cameras, compared to 3 on the S21 and S21 Plus. The trailers followed a report in November which said that each of the phones will come with 120Hz displays and will have screens ranging from 6.2 to 6.8 inches in size. Internally, they'll reportedly have batteries ranging in size from 4000 mAh to 5000 mAh and will be powered by Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 888 processor in regions that don't use Samsung's own processors. The S21 Ultra is also expected to be compatible with Samsung's S Pen, which is important considering the rumors that the stylus-equipped Note lineup is being discontinued. Samsung's largest mobile experience store in India. Sales for the flagship series will commence on January 29th in India, as stocks will only reach the country a week after the global launch, store executives at Samsung's Opera House outlet in Bengaluru told us over the phone. The Samsung store confirmed previously leaked camera specs for the Galaxy S21 Ultra, namely a 108MP main camera, two 10MP sensors, one of which will support 10x optical zoom and laser autofocus. We didn't get details on the fourth sensor, but it's purported to be a 12MP shooter. That is it, guys. Please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.